What's happening at Universal Studios Florida? Let's go find out. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and it is a cool, brisk day here in Orlando. A high of only 61 degrees. Which means, as far as Universal Orlando Resort is concerned, Volcano Bay will be closed today because of cold weather. Cold weather, of course, being a relative term. And speaking of the weather, Rip Ride Rockit is closed because it's too cold and too windy at the moment. A couple things I want to show you inside of the Five and Dime. But first, I have to comment about these plushes. Wolfman, Dracula, Bride of Frankenstein, Frankenstein, the creature from the Black Lagoon, but why no mummy plush? We need a mummy plush, Universal. For $125, check out the Frankenstein varsity jacket. There's the front. We'll flip it around. There is the back. It says, "You make me feel alive." And here's something I've never shown you, I don't think. A Bride of Frankenstein pajama set for $70. There's the front. I'll show you the back. There is the back with a spine. But I do want to point out, put that back up there, it is a pajama set, as there's pajama shorts that come with it. This little corner of the Five and Dime full of classic monsters and Halloween stuff, such as,
not cute,
for $35, this Hunter Family Vacation t-shirt. Because you know, it's always Halloween at Universal. There's something very special inside of the Tribute store. Let me show you real fast. It's Courtney Flicks recording a merch search. No pressure, Courtney, but everyone knows you're working on one now.
I know.
You gotta get it done.
I know.
Poor Courtney, she gets so nervous doing those merch searches. Do me a favor, when I finally post it, give it a thumbs up. This has been up for a while. Don't know why I've neglected to show it until now, but the DreamWorks sign is up. Shrek and Donkey, Kung Fu Panda, Trolls. Join the awesomeness sometime in 2024. Here's a closer look at some of the construction happening behind the construction walls. Shrek's place looking good, a lot of scaffolding. Can't wait for this to open back up because we missed Donkey. One of the best meet and greets in the park at Universal is Donkey, and he's been away for a while. Can't wait to have him back in 2024. Some news to share with you as we stroll through Springfield. Universal Stella Nova and Terra Luna Resorts are now officially listed on Lowe's hotel website. Official now. There was a little leak some time ago, but it's now available with pricing and availability and opening dates confirmed. I believe the first date would be January 21st to book one of those hotels. And I would also like to point out at Duff Brewery, they have run out of Dufftoberfest beer. Last year it lasted until December 31st. They went through it quicker this year, and I checked, no more kegs of that around the corner. Currently the Simpsons ride, a short wait at just 15 minutes. Wait a second, what is this I spy along the way to Bubble Bridge, right over there? What is that? Let's go take a closer look. It's a big giant duck. I bet this is for that movie that's out. Or is it out? Or coming out? Migration. Regardless, there's a big giant duck here now. Strap that to the top of my Jeep. Make all the other Jeep owners jealous. Before we head into the Wizarding World, something I should have mentioned to you before we came into the park. I found out why the globe isn't spinning anymore. That, I was told, is an executive decision by management. So there we go. Nothing wrong with it. They just feel like it makes for better pictures when it's not spinning. Okay, now we can head into the Wizarding World, Diagon Alley. See if there's anything new. I think there's at least one new thing to share with you. Unfortunately, it may be too windy for Dragonfire today. Inside of Sugar Plums, they have a new release for the Chocolate Frogs. Bowman Wright is your latest collectible wizard card. $14 for one chocolate frog, or get 3 for $35. Because of the cold weather, they are not selling ice cream at this cart today, but I'm sure they will make up for it with sales of hot butterbeer over there at the Hopping Pot. Usually one of the longest wait times in the park, Escape from Gringotts, is only a 35-minute wait at the moment. Nice weather and low wait times. It's a great time to be in the park. It is the holidays in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, so let's show you one Christmas song from Celestine Warbeck and the Banshees.
Well, the last gift that a girl expects to see. My baby gave me a hippogriff for Christmas. A giant feathery hippogriff, it's true. But instead I got this beast. I have no words, he ate my bird. Oh, what's a girl to do? My baby gave me a hippogriff for Christmas. His scene here is called Rain Alarm. Oh, it's just as you would expect. My entire house is wrecked. Singing baby that might be
That was another fantastic performance by Celestine Warbeck and the Banshees. Central Florida, home to a lot of great performers who work in the theme parks and elsewhere. I follow some of them on Instagram, and just looking at their schedule wears me out. A lot of talented, hardworking folks here in the area, and we appreciate all the effort they put into entertaining us. Here's a friendly reminder, the Hogwarts Express will be closing from December 10th through December 16th. Keep that in mind if you're visiting. Some construction walls around the San Francisco Pastry Company, as it is closed at the moment. Here in San Francisco at Chez Alcatraz, I don't know if I reported on this before or not. I mentioned how the TVs were not working, that they needed to be fixed. They did better than fix the TVs. They got brand new ones. Let's head into New York City, see if we have any updates in here. Plus, I need to start figuring out lunch. What will we do for a quick food review today? Revenge of the Mummy roller coaster, my favorite ride at Universal Studios Florida. A nice short 25-minute wait. The skyline behind the New York Public Library still undergoing its refurb. Lots of scaffolding up there. One last thing I would like to note here in New York City, here at the Psychic Readings building, They have removed that Dr. Oddfellow sign that was here for Halloween Horror Nights. A couple weeks back, it was still here, but now it's gone. Universal Studios Holiday Concert starring Mannheim Steamroller. Still 2 more dates available. Saturday the 9th and Sunday the 10th. No extra charge. The show comes with your price of admission. Usually, people at Music Plaza seeking out the shade to cool off. Today, they want to lay in the sun to warm up. Across the way from Mel's Drive-In, which has not reopened, is You'll Enjoy, the holiday food area. Let's go see if I'm going to get something here. Well, look at this item. Chocolate pressed s'mores, $10.99. Chocolate brioche, marshmallows, chocolate ganache, marshmallow cream, and graham cracker crumbs. I don't know if that's an entree or a dessert. I'm going to find out though. All done with my sandwich. Time for Rick's Quick Food Review. I can describe that sandwich in 2 words: rich and decadent. Now, the bread that they use reminds me a lot. The chocolate brioche bread that they use reminds me a lot of the chocolate bread at Twosomes. So if you had that, you kind of know what I'm talking about. And then the rest of it was just, it tasted like a s'more. So now where do I fall? Is it a sandwich or is it a dessert? It's a dessert sandwich. Rich and decadent. I would not have it as an entree. I probably more as a dessert. But there you go, a pressed s'mores sandwich. Interesting. Strolling down Hollywood Boulevard, I figure this is a good time to remind you that my newest YouTube channel, Cozy Coffee Break, has launched. There is a link to it in the description box. Go check it out, and if you like what you see, click that subscribe button, please. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Go take a cozy coffee break.
His name is Rick, her name is Nikki, showing how theme parks are done. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Hit subscribe.